Hi guys, today we do a virtual walk on our fresh and stock VW Golf. This is a 1.5 TFSI in petrol. It's the EVO Match Edition and it's finished in this gorgeous platinum grey. Sorry about the weather, but as you can tell, really lovely paintwork. It's a lovely grey colour. Going down to the alloys, you got your 16-inch multi-spoke alloys, finished in silver. You've also got your VW centre casings there as well, looking really nice. Going on to the front, you got your VW halogen headlights, the daytime running lights, looking really nice. Also got your nice blue motion badging, a nice blue trim going along the outside as well, looking really nice. Going along to the side, you got matching coloured wing mirrors, the body colour. You've also got your indicators on there in black housing, and a nice black trim going on the outside of the windows. Also got your blue motion badging on the side there. Got black B pillars, rear privacy glass. If we go to the rear, really lovely looking Golf rear with your dual exhaust on either side and your chrome tips there as well. If we open up the boot, press the button in, open up the boot. Absolutely great boot space for a hatchback. You've also got a load space cover in there as well. If we go to the interior of the car, you've got your full cloth seats, your nice 3D effect stitching. Really comfy and nice and spacious, really lovely. You've also got your rear fans there as well to be adjusted from your climate control. Going into the front of the car, you've got your same style seats, but you've got a bit of lumbar support as well, so really comfy and nice. If we go and get into the car and turn the car on, put the key in the ignition, turn the car on. You've got a full leather steering wheel, you've got controls on either side of the steering wheel as well. So on this side you've got your cruise control and limiter and your volume controls, and on this side you've got your digital display which you can adjust. You can change up and get different displays up there, so that's really nice. You've got your fully electric automatic windows and the ability to lock the rear windows. You've got your cruise, your central locking and your electric wing mirrors here, and also folding electric wing mirrors as well if you put them like that. If we go down, your media display, really nice big media display. It's all touchscreen. You've got DAB, FM and AM. You can also connect your own phone through Bluetooth or USB. If we go back to the navigation system, if we go there, you've got you can connect your phone through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so that's really nice and good to use. If you put the car in reverse, you've got a display showing your front and rear parking sensors as well, which is also really good and handy. Going down, got dual zone climate control, which is nice. You can adjust that there, like so. Nice dials showing that. And of course you've got your storage space. You've got your USB port there, which is really nice. Then you've got your modes which you can put the car in, so you can put it in eco mode, normal mode, sport mode or individual. If you go down, you've got your electric handbrake and your automatic handbrake as well. You've got two drinks holders, which is really nice, and if we open up the centre console, some more storage space. So that all being said and done, if you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our sales team, and potentially this could be your next new car. Cheers.